Welcome back to another episode of Wisco Outdoors, guys. Where are you? Here you are.
Oh, hi.
Hi. So we're doing a little buy episode this week. I got a new computer, as you guys can see, so I haven't been able to edit any of the footage from our 39 Lakes, so we're gonna do a little, what is that, a post 39 Lakes
It's
episode
just-
follow-up.
Yeah.
Essentially, that's what it's called. So, this is all the walleye that I kept from Mud Lake.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, so we're going to fry her all up with some Andy's fish breading. Some hot and spicy and some yellow. And, yeah, so I'm actually out of oil right now. So my parents are awesome, and they're going to grab some more oil for me while I set up my new computer and hopefully start editing some videos for you guys.
Let's get it. Yeah, my parents are coming too. My sister Abby's gonna be here. Her parents, and should be a good time.
Yeah, just catching up, shooting the short, and
There goes Johnny.
there goes Johnny. Oh, Ma's driving. If the videos look a little different, it's because part of the reason I bought this new computer is because I want to go from a basic editing software to a more advanced editing software. I'm going to Adobe Pro, Premiere Pro, whatever the hell it's called. So yeah, that's why I bought the new MacBook. So if the videos look a little different, it might take a little bit to get used to the new editing style. But hopefully you guys still show your support, like the videos. So yeah, it'll be...
Move your hands a lot.
I speak with my hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be good. Like I said, we'll catch it in. We'll go right back to you in a little bit here once we get things set up, and let's roll some B-roll of some beautiful fish, eh?
Yeah,
You like that?
do it.
All right, here we go.
I don't know if the lighting's good or not, but we are finally got some oil.
Hey, where's mine? I put mine in the other door.
So we're just getting going. So I got an egg and milk wash, and then, cause I'm kind of lazy, Grandpa found this at a rummage sale, and yeah, now this is how I bread my fish. Just give her a little shaky shake, and
Don't make a mess, please.
then wham bam bloom. If you're skid, you got some perfectly breaded fish. Then she's perfect. So we got the egg wash, the batter. Alright boys, we're going for it.
Here we go. Woo!
That was a little cool. We're bumping up to 375. Cooking to golden crispies finally.
I think we should just montage this stuff and then. just like that, we got people here. Fishes are all done, right?
For the most part.
Got fries and onion rings going. Put the GoPro in the fryer.
I would have laughed if you would have dropped it.
I would not have laughed.
So much food.
Do you need help up?
No, I got it. That's fine. I like the ground better, anyways.
So what I have to deal with, guys. I'm supposed to collaborate with that and bring you guys videos. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today's little bye episode. Hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully everything goes smooth with Premiere Pro, editing all that together.
Good old Premiere Pro.
Yeah, that'll be it'll be interesting to see how everything works out. It should be able to spice up the videos for you guys. So and it'll be something for us to learn. So
Yeah, what did it take to download now? It was like 6 minutes versus 2 hours or
yeah,
something like
so
that.
on the previous laptop I used to edit everything, it took 2 hours to download Premiere Pro, and then I got it all set up with the MacBook, and it took 6 minutes to download. So a little bit bigger processor, a little bit bigger everything. So nice.
Anyways.
Yeah. So
What's
yeah.
what's gonna be the next episode out here?
The next episode should be Bark Lake. We're gonna make a little correction from the last episode that we said the next episode was gonna be
Tornadoes
tornadoes and all that.
rain.
Yeah. So you guys, if you want to see tornadoes and craziness, you guys gotta check out the Silver Lake video, which should be up in a couple of weeks. It is currently June 30th, right? Or close to it.
So, it is June 28th.
Is the 28th. So the 4th of July is next weekend.
Are we gonna
Which,
post a 4th of July video, you think?
I'd like to. I don't know exactly what. It might just be a fun day on a lake with. We'll bring the GoPros. We'll bring the camera and just kind of see what happens. Well,
Oh, I'll bring some. Do they know about it yet?
I don't think I've mentioned it yet.
Alright, currently in my bedroom I have about $5,000 worth of fireworks that are gonna be launching off on the 4th of July.
With Premiere Pro, I should be able to insert a picture wherever I want. So I'll put a picture right here, and if I can't insert a picture,
He's gonna be holding his hand there anyways.
yup. So yeah, he's got a
Buttload?
I was gonna say what is that, 3/4 of a wall full of fireworks?
Yeah.
So we'll have a fireworks show that we can bring to you guys. Other than that, we're gonna have a wake boat there. We're gonna have
Shut up, guy! We're trying to film an outro!
Lakers. We're gonna have his uncle's wake boat there. We'll have the Crestliner there, and then Matt's boat as well. So we'll have plenty of fun. We might do a little fishing. Otherwise, it's just gonna be kind of putzing around on the lake, just relaxing and doing that kind of stuff. Quick side note: do you guys want to see like underwater videos of us like snorkeling and exploring the lakes that we're fishing? We were talking about this today. We went out to Freeze Lake. We did a little. Well, we were supposed to do a little bit of pre-fishing, and we ended up
Just messing around swimming and diving off the boat. And
yeah.
Not jiving off the boat.
Jiving off the boat. No, but then we got to talking and we were like, well, we both have underwater cameras. We could buy snorkel kits and kind of snorkel these clear lakes that we got around here. And I mean, I don't know if we find anything, but I'm sure we can get some
Lures
cool.
and stuff like that.
I'm sure we can get some cool shots of stuff that we see. Excuse me, guys.
Jeez, old man.
Oh, sorry. I think that's enough rambling.
Yeah, other than that, hope you guys have a great 4th, because it'll probably be after the 4th by the time we get our next video up.
Yeah, and then, are we even gonna be? Yeah, we won't be able to get a video up when we're up north.
So we'll try to get one more out. You think? Before...
Yeah, we'll get one out the 5th of July for sure, which should be. I'd like to get Bark Lake out midweek if I can, ideally.
So possibly 2 videos.
Yeah, so we'll possibly shoot for 2 videos up this coming week, and then one more before we leave for up north, and we'll be all caught up with our 39 lakes, I believe. And then it'll be
Up
time
north.
to just pound away and.
Yeah. What do we got? Like 10 lakes we're doing up north. That's
Yeah,
great.
that boat behind us right there, if you're gonna turn and look, it's almost ready to go. We got a lot of rods we gotta pack into that frickin' boat. And I guess everything's as ready as it's gonna be. We should probably start packing some of the
Yeah.
essentials. This trip's gonna be very winged,
So it's gonna be a wing trip, you know.
but it should be fun, and we should get a lot of great content out for you guys. So that's enough rambling from us. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like the video, show your support down below. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, we've been growing pretty fast, and it means a lot for each and every one of you guys that have subscribed. So if you guys would like, subscribe down below, or if you got comments of what you guys would like us to see, because we're
It's a bug, sorry.
sorry, or if you guys got any ideas for what you guys want us to see. We're not just solely focused on fishing. Jordan and I both like hunting. We both like shooting guns. We both like doing all that stuff. So if you guys want to see anything from us, feel free to leave it down below. And yeah, I think that'll do it for today. Hey,
All right. Have a good one, right?
as always, guys, have a good one.